Alright guys, mind the the band-aid on my face. Cut myself shaving. Anyway, we got the Camaro running. I've just been riding around right now, you know, checking everything out and whatever. Went ahead and fixed some other things. The check engine light was on, so we went ahead and we fixed some other things. Or a pressure sensor was one of them. So we got a new pressure sensor for that. You know, cleared it. So check engine light's on. So yeah, we fixed the piston. Made sure there was no more water in the intake manifold and everything. And got all of that all cleaned up and then building everything back up this morning. Took about a good 2-3 hours to get that done. And yeah, I'm out on the road now. Car's running as fine as, you know, usual, if not a little bit better. Still feels strong. Or whatever. So yeah, that's a good thing. But yeah, so if I didn't explain it right the first time, so yeah, where my intake, cold air intake filter is right under the wheel well on these cars. And when I previously picked up this car, I ordered a inner fender for that wheel well, and I hadn't put it on yet since I purchased the car because of I didn't have the bolts for it. I mean, the little push-in tabs for it. So I wanted to make sure that fit right, because where it was, the original one had tore off, and I'm guessing it was from the wheels he had on here or whatever, but it had tore off, or he might have just cut it out for the car to get some more air right there. But yeah, so the other day when I was leaving work at night, it was raining really hard, and it was water all over the freeway and everything, and I wasn't, you know, that wasn't on my mind that you know, that air, that filter was sucking up water, and, you know, that was going to get to the engine. But that's what happened, and it sucked up a good amount. It sucked up a good amount of water. So about time I had made it home, you know, the engine had enough, and it shut down, and the piston had broke and bent, and so, you know, that's pretty much what happened. And so got it all up in the oil and in the air intake manifold and everything. So we drained that, we cleaned it. Thank God it was just one piston. All the other pistons were straight, the heads and everything were straight. We put the spark plugs and everything in. Now we're out here, the car's running great. You know, and all of that jazz. So not only did I learn my lesson, but I did go ahead and we did get some tabs, excuse me, to put on there for the inner fender and everything. So that's buttoned on there right and nice and tight. So car feels good, man. I'm you know, it's been a rough, you know, 3-4 days missing my baby, so I'm back in her. I'm gonna take care of her right this time. All right, thank you guys for watching, man. If you're not a subscriber, please become a subscriber. I got more great videos coming. Just a hiccup on time and everything, or whatever. So I got some more videos coming. If you guys got any comments about anything, leave a comment. I know I didn't go into detail on the whole take apart installation thing, but I was trying to get it done and everything. So it's in a timely fashion, so I didn't feel like, you know, recording everything, but I took some videos and some pictures that you guys are gonna see in the video and everything. All right, but all right, see you guys later.